Once again, friend, there is no lender who's making a decision because you have your LLC based in Delaware. They're not going to make that decision, but I understand why that is comfortable for many people. I get it why that conversation is comfortable for many people is because that there's no trigger associated with that. See, there's a trigger associated with my personal credit. I'm going to catch an attitude, I'm going to get mad, whatever the case may be if I have not did the healing. But when you start talking about an LLC, we're turning over a new leaf. Now I don't really have to face all the financial mishaps and mistakes that I made. Now, once again, I don't say this to be condescending. I don't say this to make fun of individuals. I'm saying this from a place that I have been there too.